Finding a girlfriend can be an exciting journey, but it's also one that requires patience, self-reflection, and genuine effort. Building meaningful connections takes time, but with the right mindset and approach, you can create opportunities to meet someone special. Let's explore some practical advice and ways to navigate this process. Start with yourself. The foundation of any healthy relationship is self-love and self-awareness. Before seeking a partner, take time to understand yourself. Build confidence. Confidence is attractive, but it comes from within. Focus on your strengths, set personal goals, and celebrate small wins. Develop interests. Engaging in hobbies and passions not only enriches your life but introduces you to like-minded people. Take care of yourself. Physical and mental well-being play a role in your confidence and energy. Exercise, eat well, and practice self-care. Expand your social circles. The more people you meet, the greater your chances of forming meaningful connections. Try these approaches to widen your circle. Join clubs or classes, whether it's a book club, dance class, or sports league. Shared interests provide natural conversation starters. Attend social events. Say yes to parties, community events, or networking gatherings. Opportunities often arise in unexpected places. Volunteer. Helping others is fulfilling, and it connects you with kind-hearted people who share your values. Online dating and social media. Technology has made meeting people easier than ever. Platforms like dating apps or social media can help you find compatible matches. Choose the right app. Apps like Hinge, Bumble, or OkCupid cater to different dating goals. Pick one that aligns with what you're looking for. Craft a genuine profile, highlight your interests, be honest about what you seek, and use photos that reflect your personality. Start meaningful conversations. Go beyond small talk. Ask questions and show curiosity about the other person's life and passions. Improve your communication skills. Good communication is key to building connections. Practice active listening, empathy, and authenticity. Be present. When talking to someone, give them your full attention. Put your phone away and engage in the moment. Ask open-ended questions. Encourage deeper conversations by asking questions that invite thoughtful answers. Express yourself honestly. Be genuine about your feelings and intentions. Authenticity fosters trust and connection. Step out of your comfort zone. Growth happens when you challenge yourself. Don't be afraid to take risks or face rejection. Make the first move. If you're interested in someone, take the initiative to start a conversation or ask them out. Handle rejection gracefully. Not every interaction will lead to romance, and that's okay. Learn from the experience and move forward. Try new experiences, explore new places, travel, or take up unique activities. The more you broaden your horizons, the more people you encounter. Be patient and stay positive. Finding the right person doesn't always happen quickly, but every experience teaches you something valuable. Trust the process. Love often comes when you least expect it. Focus on building a fulfilling life, and connections will naturally follow. Cultivate gratitude. Appreciate the friendships and connections you make along the way. Every relationship adds to your personal growth. Stay optimistic. It's normal to feel discouraged at times, but maintaining a hopeful mindset helps you remain open to new possibilities. Final thoughts? The journey to finding a girlfriend is as much about discovering yourself as it is about meeting someone new. By investing in your personal growth, nurturing meaningful connections, and staying patient, you set the stage for a genuine and lasting relationship. Remember, the right person will appreciate you for who you truly are, so be yourself, enjoy the adventure, and trust that love will find its way to you.